Welcome to the world of AI and GPTs. Today we're diving into how you can integrate custom GPTs into your digital platforms, making your website more interactive and engaging. First, let's understand what GPTs are. They're AI models that can understand and generate human-like text, transforming how we interact online. Now let's set up our environment. You'll need access to OpenAI's Assistant API and a platform like VoiceFlow. Clone the provided template to start your project. Next, create your assistant. Customize the GPT to fit your needs, whether for customer service or sales. Upload your knowledge documents to train the AI. Then integrate with VoiceFlow to build a user-friendly chat interface. Import the necessary templates for a smooth start. Test your setup, debug any issues, and once satisfied, publish and embed your chatbot into your website. Finally, launch and monitor your new AI assistant. Keep an eye on user interactions and adjust as needed. You've now unlocked a new realm of possibilities with custom GPTs. Enhance customer engagement or streamline processes with the power of AI. Ready to explore more? Check out our resources and join our community for ongoing support and learning in the world of AI and GPTs.